Playing with a pussy and then I'm blowing her back out. Got a lot of enemies, never see him get cashed out. Teachers won't let me kick me out, I was a class clown. Pussy boy, you better jump, run up, I never back down. We gon' burn it down, smoke 'em marching like a bow. Sit you in your head up to your toes. Shawty says you even know this ain't how this gon' go. I'ma leave that hoe leaking and dripping, she wants some more. Sipping on Snapple, I'm sipping on lemonade. I'ma blaze a whole ounce of that white like 48. Try to chop it up with me, you better just hit me to pay. I'm the hottest in my city, and my numbers stay the same. Give a fuck if you don't let me, that ain't food up on my plate. Tryna me the water with some bar.
I haven't had enough protein, okay?
You say he needs dick.
Dude, no! What the fuck? What the fuck?
Whoa.
What the hell? We just have to stoop that way, huh? Okay.
I forgot you're streaming. Hear that, chat? He needs dick.
Oh no, they're on the hill now.
Close, close. Fuck, I got. Oh my god. Where did I get?
I gotta go. I gotta go.
Yeah, I'm moving also.
Oh my god, there's another squad in the tunnel. No, my brother Jimmy. Well, watch out for the choke on the right here.
Yeah.
Most likely you're gonna be on that side.
See anyone one.
I doubt there's gonna be anybody right now. Oh, they're flying. They're flying. Dead. Another one on the bottom.
Sending out another me. Damn, he's good looking.
Oh, he teleported.
Dude, take it. It's just one person.
They're over there. Yeah, do it. I'm doing it.
Go, go, go.
Gonna ult.
Well,
Team.
He got bamboozled. He's like, where the fuck is this guy?
I fucking ulted just in case, dude. I'm not taking any chances.
Oh, I laughed.
oh my god, that guy's one, bro. Did we kill that rampart? That rampart's still behind.
Don't see him. Crack.
Down.
Crack one.
Coming back. This guy's right here. On the hay
Alright.
bales.
Right there.
I can't see him.
The ring is in close proximity. Less than 1 minute.
Frag out.
On the wall, on the wall.
Looks only 21.
23.
Beat me, though.
Only 30 seconds left on the clock. The ring's close.
Is anyone there? Do you know?
Not sure. I got
Oh, fuck.
Sentinel.
Behind this thing right here.
Yeah.
Who has more ring? They do, huh? 33.
Go bamboozle.
101? Or 111 actually?
The final ring is moving.
On the Sparrow.
Yeah.
Sending out another me. Damn, he's good looking. Something like that.
23.
150.
60. On the hay bales.
Down, Sparrow.
Nice.
Yeah, down. 111 on one.
Dead.
Nice.
Good shit.
Oh, we played that perfectly finally.
Holy fuck. Good shit on the Kraber.
Yeah.
I know.
I was like, he jumped, so I was like, oh, perfect.
All I heard was a knock. I was like, cool, I'm going. They zipped on the behind. On behind. On the other side of the wall.
That's where we're supposed to
Oh, they
be.
might be locked up there.
Yeah, they're gonna walk up this way. There's just one guy on the left, just saying. Two on the right. Sorry.
They're looking, they're looking. One behind
I'm
you.
fucking dead.
A Gibby.
One move left already.
He's going. I think he's gonna climb.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, fuck.
No, knock the lifeline.
On.
Coming back. They're resing.
I think there's a Gibby somewhere.
Oh! Behind.
Gibby's out. Right. Gibby's
Yeah,
back in the
I think
building.
that-
Yeah. Yeah.
Check it out. Care package coming in.
Somehow we get savage, you know? It's cool.
Yeah. And they're gonna go there for sure.
Give him my shield to recharge. Bam! There goes the booze on third. Something like that. Yes, I'm in the ring.
I feel like you just full send it, dog.
Yeah.
Full send it and go. Yup.
Yup, like that. Yeah.
I'm spacing.
Put on the pipe if you want.
Yeah. Right here?
Mm-hmm.
Respawn for whoever.
His death box is there too, right? Yeah.
Nice.
Sneaky puppy. Oh. Oh, there's somebody there.
Oh!
There's someone there too. Up there.
Gotta go
Don't
to the
go
other
up there.
side.
Don't go up there. Don't go up there. Okay.
So.
Bye,
Yup,
have a
yup,
great time.
exactly. Yes. No, you fumbled. You fumbled.
You son of a bitch, let me go! No! Come on! Oh, that's bullshit. That's bullshit.
MJ just needs to live.
Oh, that's tough.
That's super tough. Fuck.
Just be careful on your left. There's a squad there.
Yeah.
Oh my. Oh, I have. Oh my god. Oh. That's just me up in the nose.
Another res. Another res.
I like how me and Jimmy thought about the same shit. So thank God.
Hey, you got far side, narrow building.
There's a triple take on the other side. Somebody wants
Yeah, I
that.
see it. I want it. I'll probably get it.
They rest on the other side of the wall. Oh shit,
Okay.
I'm in the open. The fuck?
Broke that enemy shield. It's an upgrade, friend.
People in here.
In there. Oh, fuck you. You piece of shit.
48
Trying
on
to
him.
move. Yeah. He's pushing. Careful, careful.
1 minute.
Careful, careful, careful.
I am taking fire, friends. Keeping my shields.
No! Stop it! Stop it!
Oh fuck, I got Kraber.
There's another squad.
You jumped down?
Right here.
Oh, shit.
They're underneath you, they're underneath you, they're underneath you, they're underneath you.
Oh, he's shot from behind.
Yeah.
Just two, just two. Oh, nice.
Oh my god, is it the last squad?
Yeah, the other squad, there's
Oh,
second.
that,
Yeah,
that was so worth it.
does it.
They're here.
Fuck you, unfortunate.
No! Where?
On top side.
Dude, that shit was tough.
Oh god.
Oh,
This is
Oh,
the bad
shit.
fish that shot me, you fuck. Bro, I'm so upset.
They would not leave Jimmy alone, bro.
I was okay. They can't be. They're like everywhere.
They have to be in one spot, right, in order to shoot me? Okay. Nope.
He's 12. I mean, he's not 12. I'm 12. I mean,